Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for giving amazing response to my previous videos. It was much above as I expected. Really thank you all. So here I am with my new video which is about classic liner and bold red lips. So let's start. Here I have applied moisturizer and primer already. So applying Maybelline Super Stay Foundation and blending with sponge. Now applying Pose HD banana powder for setting base. You know what guys, this HD yellow tinted banana powder gives a natural radiance for perfect look. I love it. Now contouring my face with NYX 3 Step 2 Sculpt. The deep shade gives sculpted appearance to your face.
देखो आने जाने वाले सारे साथ खड़े हैं, कभी ना कभी मैंने भी तो ऐसे वैसे ख्वाब देखे हैं कि हम तो
Applying My Glam Stay Play Blush. This mattifying blush lasts really long and gives you that healthy blush. Apply Makeup Revolution Highlighter. It provides a luminous glow to your face and gives a professional touch to your makeup. Now doing my eyebrows and apply this shade from Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette on crease line and blending it. Now adding some mascara and apply LATIKA Get In Sketch Liner. And final touches is Maybelline New Sensational Lipstick shade Plus with Red shade number 3.
देखो आने जाने वाले सारे साथ खड़े हैं, कभी ना कभी मैंने भी तो ऐसे वैसे ख्वाब देखे हैं।